Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, we're going to go over another amazing plugin that you'll only find in Eclipse. And today we're going to talk about Analyze Documents Plus version 1.14. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. I have Eclipse open and I'm going to go to my plugin manager and I'm going to click on Available. And next I'm going to download Analyze Documents Plus. I'll download the plugin and I'll select it to enable it. I'll press OK and restart Eclipse. Now that I'm back in Eclipse, let's take a look at the plugin description. So this says that it's going to add Tools Analyze Documents if you're in Eclipse 12, or if you're in Eclipse 11, it will add Tools Analyze Docs Plus. And so if you're in Eclipse 12, this will simply take the place of the current Analyze Documents utility. Analyze Documents Plus can read Eclipse files, text files, HTML and HTML web files, PDFs, and other structured text files like XML and CSV files. It will compare the data from inside of your dictionary, or if you're a voice user, it will compare your spell files, and it will identify any unknown words and produce them in an analysis.txt file that lives in your job folder. It will also include how often each of those words occurred, and it'll include phrases that you might want to add as briefs as well. Let's take a look at how this works in practice. I'm going to go to Tools, Analyze Documents, and in this window, I can select any files that I'd like to do. And so I can select PDF files, I can select text files, or I can select ECL files or any of the other file types that were listed. And so I'm going to select a few files and press OK. And you'll see that it will go through each of the files that you selected and process and read them and identify any new terms. And once the process is complete, you'll get a list of all of the words that it found that were not in your dictionary. And if I scroll down, you see that each word has a count of how many times it appeared. And at the bottom, there's a list of phrases also with their own individual counts. And you can use this file with setup vocabulary for boost dictionaries, with build dictionary to build or add to a dictionary, and with many other tools and plugins that are available, many of which we're going to cover in the future. Analyzing documents allows you to quickly and easily identify terms that you may need to add to your dictionary or prepare a boost for. This is a great tool to use if you have a repository of relevant information about the proceeding that you're preparing for, or your general work. I hope that you'll give the new Analyze Documents Plus plugin a try today and see how it helps you improve your workflow. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to check your notifications for new videos in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.